Okay. Now I can just do one thing at a time here. Just don't look at this as a whole discombobulation of wires here, okay? One thing at a time, right? So I can look at this as mini projects, M-I-N-I. Mini projects. I've got the power from the junction box up here. I'm calling the mounting, the pancake box, the junction box. My wire and the side on the sensor where it was the white and the red. I know the red one is going to this black wire, right? So I can rearrange this wire. I don't even have to cut the wire off if I don't want. And I had a yellow wire nut on there. Now, if I do want to cut the wire, I can cut the wire off a little bit if I want. I still have the power off. Okay, make sure your power's off, of course. All right, so now I'm going to strip that back. And I had a yellow wire nut up there. I don't need a yellow wire nut, okay? Chances are a yellow wire nut will fit on there just as easily, but maybe you get the yellow wire nut on there and it keeps spinning. That's because the hole in the wire nut is a little bit bigger than the hole in the orange wire nuts. Orange is smaller than the yellow. Okay, so I got my red stranded wire. I'm looking at that, seeing how I want it. That's all. Looks okay. I'm going to hold it up there. I could have made that longer if I wanted and wrapped it around the black wire before I put the wire nut on. But generally you don't have to do that. I'm going to pull on the stranded wire to make sure that it feels tight, and it does. I can rearrange these wires. Okay, and now I can just simply fold that in there, knowing that I should have enough room. I just need to make sure I have enough room for this housing to go up there, and I should have plenty of room to get that up in there. Okay, this thing kind of slid back a little bit, push it back in there. Make sure that that our antenna sensor is moving nice and easily, which it is. And I know my white wire is going to go over that way, okay? My black and blue wires are coming from this other way, so I don't have much room over there, do I? You know, you would think couldn't they make the wires a little bit longer on that little housing thing? Especially that sensor, when they say you want your white wires and your ground wires on one side, you want all your power wires on the other side. They hardly make it so that you can do that. So I've got the stranded ones coming up from the ceiling fan motor itself, going to hook up the black and blue, blue to blue, black to black from your sensor, okay? And I'm looking at that. It looks like I could rearrange those wires just a little, okay? I can do that. And it's longer, so, you know, can I cut this a little bit? I was going to leave some extra, but this is plenty right there, right? So I'm gonna get my cutters and cut this off. Okay. Now I have to strip that. You got to have some wire strippers, and I'm gonna strip that. And I like to go a little bit at a time. I don't like to strip off an eighth or a quarter all in one go. I like to do an eighth and then another eighth or so. Makes it a little bit easier. You don't have anything dragging off. You don't want to get in too small of a hole and realize, because when you strip your stranded wire, you don't want any of those little bits of stranded to come off, right? And if it does, just cut this back and try it again, okay? All right, so I got the black to black, and it's way over here, so I could just have to contort myself. I'm just twisting the black strands together, the blue strands together. Okay. I'm just going to pick one. Just pick the black one. And I'm going to put the wire nut on here. I could take those two and twist them together before I do the wire nut. Okay. Twist it together a little bit to help the wire nut get on there nice and snug as a bug in a rug. Okay, pull on those wires. Everything looks fine. Get that up out of the way. Get my blue wire and my blue wire. Wrap those around each other. Get my wire nut and put it on. Okay. You with me so far? That's what you're going to have to do. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. You can pay an electrician to do this. He'll be more than happy to take your money. Trust me on that. Okay. Now, I can just finagle my wires, and I can just push them down in that cavity because this trim is gonna fit up over the entire thing, right? Okay, so now what do I have left? I've got my white wires, right? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This one off the power. That's the side of that box. You remember that one goes to the stiff copper wire that came from the junction box, right? So those two have to go together. And not these other two white wires. Those two coming from the sensor and the motor go together. Okay, if you don't do this right, I'm telling you, it's not going to work. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the tip off. I don't think I've shown you anything that I think you can't do. Okay, that's why I make these. And you can rest assured, if I have a course and you see that course, I think you can do it. Because I always say, I will never show you something that I think you can't do. Okay? So could I strip that one back a little bit further? Yeah, I could. I could a little. I've already twisted that, and I'll just twist it a little bit more. And then, you see, I could start the stranded and kind of twist it onto the solid. Use my orange wire nut as I'm holding everything. Okay. I want to hold both wires tight coming out that way so I know it's going in there. Okay. Pull on that, make sure nothing is coming loose as a goose. Okay. Now I could probably I think I'm gonna put that down just below where the sensor is. Okay, with those wires. Okay, so now I've got the two wires left, and then there was two. All right, I'm gonna cut this one back. strip it back. I was going to move the ladder, but because I'm leaving the wire long, I can just do it from this side. Strip off a little more. Knowing I'm in the right hole, strip off a little more. Cut off some. Let's see. Yeah, I shouldn't have cut it that far, because this is just two stranded wires connecting to themselves, so I don't need it sticking out that far. I got 3/8 of an inch or so. Okay, and this one is about the same. Now I twist that back. I could, had I've made it a little longer, I could have wrapped them together a little more, but I still got enough room to wrap it just slightly at the end before I put the wire nut on. I'm going to hold those back coming out and put the wire nut on. All right. Twist it on there. Okay. That feels good. Okay, now I have to remember the white wire. I need to reposition it over off to the left, don't I? Let's see. Yeah, because the black wires and the blue wires I got over here. So the white wires and the ground wires I need kind of directed over there. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick look at that and get right back to you. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.